this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone 15 to TV screen mirroring. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Most modern iPhones, including the iPhone 15, will allow you to mirror your screen. This will be done without the need to download any additional applications. So first, swipe down from the top to open the Control Center on your iPhone. Once you open the Control Center like this, look for this icon, so two screens or two rectangles diagonally from each other. This is where you will be able to look for nearby devices to screen mirror to. Before you actually go in there, also make sure that your iPhone and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, so both devices must be connected to the same network for this method to work. Once you have both of them connected to the same Wi-Fi network and you go inside of the screen mirroring menu, you will be able to find your specific smart TV model here. So in this example, it is going to be a Samsung TV. So all that you have to do now is find your TV from the list and select it here. Once you choose your particular TV model, it is going to be connected and immediately the screen of your iPhone will be mirrored over. There is no secret to this. You can choose any device that you see on this list, including a Samsung TV, Sony TV, any model of smart TV, and you can even connect it to speakers if you only want the audio. Now, if it isn't working for whatever reason, first make sure that your TV supports the feature. So you can go over to the settings and look for AirPlay settings, and also ensure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on both devices. So like I said, it's important for both the iPhone and the TV to be on the same Wi-Fi network. With these steps done, it is going to remain connected and you can mirror anything from the iPhone screen to the TV. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.